Hello everyone, this is Val here at our West Palm Beach warehouse. We're going to take a look at single item batch picking today. Single item batch picking is a little bit different than multi-item. So we have a video on multi-item batch picking, which focuses on picking multiple orders with more than one item, and each order is in its own tote. Now single item batch picking is a little bit different. In this case, you're still picking multiple orders, but each order has one item, single item, but those items can be different. Some of you who are more familiar with ShipHero might be thinking bulk ship. See, bulk ship involves multiple orders, but all of the same item or same items. Single item batch, things to be mixed up. The key thing is that all of the orders only have one item. So you'll be able to catch all of those, pick them, and put them on one tote. So what we like to do, because items can be of different sizes, is we'll get a cart. We'll have a bin here with our tote barcode. Smaller items could go into the bin, and then anything that won't fit goes onto the cart. But this is all going to be one tote, and all of the items we pick for the various different orders will all be put on here. It's a little bit different than the multi-item setup, but efficient when you're trying to pick a lot of orders with one item and just kind of get them out the door. All right, so let's start picking a single item batch. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our mobile device, and you'll see here, single item batch is, well, you have two ways you could access this. You could go from the main screen, hit single item batch there, or if you happen to be in the navigation bar, you also can access under the picking section. Either way is fine, you'll go to the same place at the end. So we'll hit single item batch, and it's going to ask you to scan a tote. So this could be any tote that you have that is currently not being used by other orders. We'll scan that in, and it will load a single item batch. This will be a mix of items for orders with only one item. All right, so step one, it will tell us what location to go to, and we're going to go pick some of these. So we need 7 of the totes from this bin. So let's scan an item in. Let's make sure, confirm we're picking the correct item. So we're going to scan in the barcode. And it's going to tell me I need to pick 6 more. And once you're done, you can either hit confirm or scan in the tote to confirm. All right, we confirmed that we picked 7 of the first item and they are in our tote. So now we're going to move on to the next item. ShipHero will tell you which location to go to. And once again, we're going to pick the first item and scan the barcode to confirm that it is correct. The app will tell you which tote to go to, and then you'll just place it in the tote and pick the rest of your items. Now you can scan each one, which is of course what we would consider best practice. Depending on your user settings, you can also manually increase by tapping. The thing to note, there is a setting that will prevent that and require you to put in a PIN if you would like to skip scanning. So for our last one, I'm going to show you that you don't have to scan each one, though we do consider this best practice. In the event that a barcode is missing or an item is not barcoded, you can go onto your mobile device and click +1, put that in your tote, and then scan the tote to complete it. So we picked all of our items, we finished our batch, now we will complete here. So we just finished picking a ton of orders in only a few minutes. That's one of the perks of single item batch picking. It is very fast and efficient to get orders picked quickly and over to the packing station so they can be shipped out. So let's go bring these orders over to our pack station and see what comes next. Thank you for watching.